everybody, happy 2022. Back in the Santa Ana Mountains after getting some much needed rain. So I'm super excited about that. So today I'm going to find a new swimming hole, hopefully. So wish me luck. Such a beautiful day, and these meadows are awesome. The grass is coming up. So nice. Awesome. Already little creeks flowing out here. These are always usually dry, so that's definitely a good sign that there's gonna be plenty of water. Sweet. Wow, these meadows just keep going on forever. It's really cool. I gotta turn off somewhere up here, so I'll figure that out. There's cows out here. That's cool. Hi. Alrighty, from this point on, it's off trail. Heck yeah. So I'm gonna be dropping into that canyon way in the distance there by that hillside. We'll see how the terrain is. A Santa Ana mountain, so it's gonna be slow going and rough. Alrighty, reached the headwaters of the creek. So from here on out, I'm just gonna follow this. It should take me to where I wanna go. Wow, what a sick spring box. I'm definitely gonna come back in the summer and put a wildlife cam over here somewhere. That's cool. We're hitting the fun stuff. Gotta like crouch through these plants. Oh, they hurt too. Wow. Hopefully it's not like this the whole way. It'll be a long duck. Super sick though. Woo. Woo. Opened up. I think there might be a waterfall right up over here. Wasn't expecting that. So there's a huge waterfall right there. That's crazy. I gotta find a way down it, but it looks pretty sheer. Let's see what I can do. It's a nice cascade. Dang. It looks like I could sneak around over here, so thank goodness. So that's probably about 50 feet. Super cool. I made it down the fall. I like doing that better. It's so dense in here. It's actually slower going than climbing down a waterfall. So funny. Nice little slot here. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get through that. Probably climb down and then swim across. I don't know how deep it is, but we'll see. I'm not quite sure how deep this is. Guess we'll find out. Ooh. Ah! Woo! Not super deep, but that's cold. Dang. Wow, this canyon just keeps gorging up. Super cool though how narrow it is. And it's fun too. This one's a little tough. I definitely can't get down in that slot there. That's way too slippery and dangerous. I'm gonna try to climb up this and then hopefully I'll be able to get around. But dang, that's pretty cool. Okay, pulled up that ridge, see what we can do. Made it around that. That was pretty sketchy. But dang, this is sick. Look at this gorge. You don't see stuff like this around here very often, especially in Orange County. And the walls. Sweet. Woo! Deep. These cascades never end. It's super cool, but I'm not really looking forward to going back up all this. Awesome canyon though, that's for sure. Alrighty, so I should be getting close to the swimming hole. I mean, I kind of hope so, because I can barely get through here. I have to be on my knees in the creek here. But freaking epic canyon, that's for sure. Alrighty, remember looking at my maps and there's a creek that merges in from the right. So here's that, and then here's the canyon I was following up. So the pool should just be a little bit farther downstream. Sweet. Whew. Man, gone for another half a mile. Still not quite there, but just gotta walk in the creek, and it's deep now too. Ooh, there's slippery rocks. Wow. Very epic, that's for sure. Love it. Made it to the pool, and it's really deep. I'm thinking it's about 8 to 10 feet right here, right above me. Super awesome. Some cool little ledges to jump from, so I'm gonna find the highest one and do a jump in the really cold water. Oh yeah! Woo! Oh wow! Woo! That's cold. Woo! That was cold, man. Jeez. Hard to swim this time of year just because the water and air temp is crazy. I can even see my breath right now. That's insane, but such an awesome spot. Pretty difficult canyon, that's for sure. When there's longer days, I'm definitely gonna go further down. There's plenty more pools and stuff to be found. Awesome.